Wagwan ENT.
Your foreign body, your local mind. See, when you wear yourself, never tough a statement for say, let yourself in line, how we rule. When circle ball by, you wear yourself. Also, star massive, circle. Well, circle mobile. Well, circle practice. See, galang, 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 galang. Hey, galang, galang. Just a galang. Galang, 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 galang. You know, text it for me, the boy, you text it for me, me not like that. Text it for me, the boy, you text it for me, me not like that. Text it for me, the boy, you text it for me, me not want it. Text it for me, the boy, you text it for me. But to me young, them just run me down, to me handsome. Them want to suck up my tongue, but text it for me, the boy, you text it for me, me not like that. Text it for me, the boy, you text it for me. The man them baby, man them baby, me the man them baby, man them baby, me the baby, me the man them baby. That's one man gone, me no better worry. Only practical. The boy them, yeah the boy them, yeah the boy them say. They look for me foot, me no wear up ballet. In a me house, me no use cabinet. Me use up the antique one, the buffet, boy them, yeah the boy them, yeah the boy them. Because don't intellect. English language are my subject. Anywhere me go, the boy them take set. No boy can't let Jackie make you afraid. Catch this a one for your tape and cassette. Boy them, yeah the boy them, yeah the boy them. So as one man gone, me know what we afraid. Enough man out there, me know me can't get. The boy me kiss, and I own me caress. Me know the statement Jackie we ain't nothing but the boy them, yeah the boy them, I chew me young lad. Them just run me down, chew me handsome lad. They want to cut me tongue car. Man them, baby, me the man them, baby, man them, boy them, pet. Jack it up one second mango tree, passing a word in said statement, settlement. Well, come in, Mellow Tuffy, because you're young. Where your foreign body and your local man.
Well, the second Jack is saying, over yourself. Well, let's still let a man like our fine selection, saying the song like Gemini. Yeah. I'll pull up my selector. Jano, second, upset a patsy to school, saying, Patsy, don't worry yourself. Welcome to each and one in my own bar and see Irie. Hey, Jano, well, give me some loving. Well, give me some kissing. Give me some loving, little girl. Say, give me some kissing. Say, give me some loving, Lord. Say, give me some kissing, Lord. Give me some loving tonight. Well, give me some kissing. Bow, up on me, fire a house and me fire a car. The last money me up me just rent a bar. Me say she a Archie start to spar. So me pop me ratchet knife full of face and scar. Give me some loving, girl. Well, give me some kissing. Well, give me some loving, baby. Well, give me some kissing. Yeah, up on me, tell the girl to come sleep in me one night. Bow, on the sheet and we wrap up so tight. She start talking about next girl in her life. She back a ratchet knife, we go cut out me tripe. Me block her with the left and me thump her with the right. She saying that the tough lad me lose me eyesight. Give me some loving, little girl. I give you some kissing. Loving tonight. Well, give me some kissing. Because your skin it coulda black, your skin it coulda white. You coulda hypocrite, you said you coulda parasite. You come in on the dance about the first time fight. You come in on the dance, let us all unite. Give me some loving, girl, well give me some kissing, kissing, kissing. Because me know a little boy by the name of Diabo. That the youth that live on Salvlamar. Him buy a big house out of Bolivar. And every Saturday night said the boy gone a bar. And when him drunk said him sleeping in him car. So Sunday morning him and him girl start war. She back a cutlass full him face and scar. He need some loving, little girl. Well give me some kissing, 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 kissing. Give I some loving. I feel about give I some kissing, 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 kissing. After me, tell the girl to go sleep in me one night. And the sheet and we wrap up so tight. She start talking about next secret select, you know. How would I say dope?
Yeah, Settlement Tristan. Should I wanna can't get the alley the record shop. Cause it's a up down, things really great when you're up down, vibes really nice I tell them. Up down, can't take the cash flow downtown. No, can't take the cash flow downtown. Hey, come and say uptown, you can sit in on the park and talk. Say whether it's right or wrong, whether it's dark. And look at all the nice sexy girls them apart. So who's been one two good lyrics with her heart. Then you know that girl would have loved her from the start. That's a up down, things really great when you're up down, vibes really nice I tell it. Up down. Can't take the cash flow downtown. No, can't take the cash flow downtown. Lord, come and say, uptown you see all kind of muggling. And up there you know most people do them shopping. One, up there you know you can get every little thing. From an anchor straight to a pin. So listen rap and rapper flingy, pan the rhythm sing. Up down, sing really great when you're up down. Vibes really nice I tell you. Up down, can't take the cash flow downtown. No, can't take the cash flow downtown. Lord, some me say I'm a love the rubber dubber down downtown. I may take for everyone I tell you downtown, but what people come from all around and round. Say black, say white, yellow and brown. Then come uptown, feel listen to me nice sound. We sing and DJ, I chant microphone. Cause some a rubber dubber and some a boogie down. We're up down, things really great when you're up down. Vibes really nice I tell you. Up down, can't take the cash flow downtown. Ribbit, all and jacket, me selector. But the man I say Welton. Still I say no rapper Robert. With the musical spotlight shine bright on the youth can laugh pint. Still I say no. Friday writers for certain farewell dance. Man like Charlie Pang, big request.
He's a Mr. Landlord.
No, I'm full of party. Come here, say I chat to you living on. No big request in the man living at tenement yard. Landlord give them certain fight and things. Second Sandra and our brother from England. Sabbath Gary, Gary, Jackal, Joe, Dark, Prawn in England. I think I'm Mr. Landlord. Yeah. So Mr. Vincent, we don't have a cent. No, I'm full of party, I respect Joe. Before I'm going to Landlord, man like Junior Reed just right in the area. Live and direct, coming Junior Reed scene. Yes, Welton Irie. Will you hear me? Request the youth promotion party. No stoop out here. The school of sugar miner, the school of Michael Farmer.
Alright now, she was 15 years old, so leave her alone, they say, yeah. Alright then, daddy say, leave my daughter alone. I want to send her to school. But daddy, I want you to know, if I could fly, yes, I'll take you up. I'll take her into the night and show her love like she never feels, never feels. She was 15 years old, so leave her alone, they say, yeah. Alright then, hey daddy say, leave my daughter alone. I want to send her to school. Oh daddy says she's too young to fall in love with me. Mommy says she's too young to fall fall in love with me. Sue said she was only 16. Oh, I know how much she cared for me, but her mommy said she's too young to fall in love with me. Her daddy said she's too young now to fall in love with me. She was 15 years old, so leave her alone. They said, alright, yeah. Leave daddy, daughter alone. He wants to send her to school. Leave her alone. Leave her alone. They say. Whoa, 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 well. Want you to know, girl, that if I could fly, yes, I'll take you up. I'll take you out in the night and show you love like you never feel, never feel. Her daddy said she's too young to fall in love with me. Her mommy said she's too young now to fall in love with me. Sue said she was only 15. Oh, I know how much she cared for me, but the mommy.
I would have man say Welton, Irie. Jano Junior Reed justifies the progress in to succeed scene. Do remember on Friday Gemini playwright scene, and also Sunday a place like Key Dancing Center, Morgan and Stowage Dance, Lisa Power. Now with the man as a Kuro.
Yes, private. Long time. Well, pass it up, set yourself in line, mango tree party. Be bound, set yourself, level jacket statement of school in a process scene. Level. Dreadlocks. Proud of the born in Jamaica, man, I grow in Paris. We born in Jamaica, man, me grow in Paris. Jano say, Mr. Colourman, your lyrics same free. Body fit, body fit, body fit, fit, fit. Body fit, body fit, body fit, fit, fit. Body fit, body fit, body fit, fit, fit. Well, I have a safe, not say love the damn body miss. Not say don't leave the thing called a damn lipstick. I say drinking like the liquor is a high school pill. With me have a brother, man, go with a Chris Chromatic. And the hunger thing it give him is a crave castic. And him just up in a cheap resort, straight out in a it. All the friends, everybody just take a brave. You know next thing that a 6 foot safe. But if some Mr. Korea rather my chemic. So when me chop me lyrics, just I know me do me sit near. Me body fit loud, me fantastic. Style, me body fit loud, me fantastic. Man I want take a trip over the damn Pacific. And I take another trip over the Atlantic. When me talk about that, me remember Thailand tonic. But you saw Mr. Colourman, you're fantastic. When me mother man, she works, she do the domestic. And me father, you know, he make the quick biscuit. When me uncle, you know, him talk about the gas ticket in. Your body fit in him, your body well fit. Style, your body fit in him, your body well fit. Body fit, body fit, body fit, fit, fit. Body fit, body fit, body fit, body fit, body fit, fit, fit. Body fit, body fit, body fit, body fit, body fit, fit, fit. Come in, Papa Dimes, a long time seen.
Second, saying, well, black people, no own yourself, cause you know it go. Papa Dimes not the area now, big Welton, Irie, Mellow, Tuffy, big. Second exquisite posse, Janet, Mitzi, cool now. Second, lad. When you see through the posse, them have to look out through a night time. I forgot build a style after that. One. Look out the way, posse, look out the way. Look out the way, posse, look out the way. Look out the way, me and your mic and say. Look out the way, me and your mic and say. Cause the chanter, posse, them a look out for me. The mango tree, posse, them a look out for me. The statement, posse, them a look out for me. Exquisite, posse, lad a look out for me. The Dunkirk, posse, man a look out for me. The Gemini, posse, man a look out for me. It name. Look out for me, posse, look out for me. You like me? Look out for me, posse, look out for me. You like me? Look out for me, posse, look out for me. Go tell them put my them by your bike and say. Me flash it in the Islanda, flash it in the bay, and flash it in the sea, and if you want another say you ball murdy. Jerk it up. In. Don't worry yourself for the vibes me at turn on. In. No hackle. No have clear foreign mind. Settle with your local bodies. In. Well, go on again, Archie. Sing, call the vibes that sing. Well, we have Sir Junior with.
Boy, you flash it somewhere one way for so you stay. But I hear me, the soul tight saying. Come and say sha la 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 la. Come and say sha la 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 la. Sha la 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 la. Ah, sha la 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 la. Come and say woman, make your waistline roll. Yes, girl, me make your waistline roll. She put one hand in the ear like a TV pole. Just on her belly and her body does a roll. Girl is like a ball, get out of control. Move up me foot like a landscape pole. Me leave over England cause England too cold. The way the place go, you want freeze up me mole. Sha la 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 la. Sha la 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 la. She is my veggie. Yes, I know she's my veggie. Me ear say a sugar minus auntie. But I know she's my veggie. I go and care her, me nourish her. I do her from she smile. Now she come to perfection. And I make she wine with another man. She is my veggie. Yes, I know she's my veggie. Come and say sha la 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 la. Come and say sha la 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 la. Sha la 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 la. Say come and at the behavior. Come and say woman make your waistline roll. Come on girl, come make your waistline roll. Hook up your boyfriend, tell him say you're cold. No wine from the side of where you see the deal fall. A true loving would I never grow old. The half of the story I've never been told. Sugar miner said them getting out of control. Make your waistline roll. Come in. Oh, we have to come in out.
Yes, Junior Reid. Well, look at today they from New York, Shane. Look at so all the soup them boy. Well, you hear me? Look at so all the passe. Second, Shane. One. Why? Reaching out across the night time, electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl, she knows I'm watching, and she likes the way I stare. And if they said why, tell them that it's human nature. Why make you do me that way? You do me that way. Why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why make you do me that way? Hear my people me make now. I wake up this morning, well, and I feel so starving. I asked my girl, please fetch me some feeding. But all she do, magazine books she's reading. Girl, just prepare my feeding. And if they said why, tell them that it's echo minus why. If you want another style ball forward, you want another style ball forward. Well, you hear me? Me I get the fan soul tune, seeing because see me no skin, me no ramp. Request to all soap. Request to Jabados and London. Second, seeing the one on your sweet dreams. Second. Sweet dreams are made of these. I hope everybody will disagree. I travel the world and the 7 seas. Everybody looking for something. Some of them wanted to use you. Some of them want to abuse you. Say, echo minus and sugar nice up chill on. We talk to the mic is come to this chill on. The people them a talk about to King Bond. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Why, whoa, whoa, sugar.
Yes, Echo, Alan Pulamalayan, Echo. Echo Minot and Sugar Minot come like two brother. The world don't know that already. You know. Everyone know that already. When we go find and them say, boy, Sugar Minot, yeah, Echo Minot, a brother. So, we don't show them stuff right, boy. Yes, I am. Well, so right now, Archie and Brigadier bring up them lovers rock. Alan Pulamalayan. Them call it lovers rock style. But we know, say, how we originated. And Papa Jimmy and Archie. I love it, yeah. Alright, alright. I don't mind when you say that you're going away. I just don't wanna be lonely. Oh no, I don't care. I don't really care. Oh no. Lord of mercy. A man can't feel a praise up, a man can't see some power. There is an era. Oh yeah, alright. I don't mind when you say that you're going away. I just don't wanna be lonely. Oh no. I don't care if we share only moments a day. I just don't wanna be lonely. I'd rather be loved, needed, depending on to give the love I can't give when you're gone. When you're gone, I just don't wanna be lonely. Alright, well you want to do, you know? You want to be there, my lion. Lord mercy, alone in a crowd, all of us afterwards, I lay dreaming. Oh yeah, you know it's kind of weird, feet. The guy next to me has his girl on his arms, my arms are empty. Will you praise that gentleman? I show the eye. You're gonna hear how does it feel when the girl that you love say yes she loves you. Skinny ranking, Jano me the feel away a star. It seems unfair when there's love everywhere and yet there's none for me. To the place I come and come in. Some guys have all the love. Some guys have all the pain. Some guys have a little sunshine in their life. And my life is only filled with rain. I pop a jelly at the place. Alright, man don't feel the praiser. I take the sharp like a razor. And the man called Echo Minot. He's up the music called Fabian. Come in to live. Sugar Minot and Echo Minot.
Forward Archie. Yeah, Mr. Dawana. Only can say by the song called Gemini, sing by a man Philip Fraser. Saying there, them never hear them style like you're saying. Special request to the man called Tristan Palmer. Badness whole side, Django. See me when I call, oh God of my righteousness, consider my plea and listen to me. Wicked eyes are on me, oh Jaja, set us free. Everything I do, someone always sees. They always trying to hurt me. So hear me when I call, oh God of my righteousness, consider my plea and listen to me.
Troubles, that's all I see. Troubles hanging over me. Hear me when I call, oh God of my righteousness, consider my plea and listen to me. The wicked eyes are on me. Oh, Jaja, set us free. Echo my not now.
What one ENT?
Go me, echo wow. Chihuahua, wow. Chihuahua, yeah. Oh, so take a message to Mary, but don't tell her where I am. Please don't mention to Mary, don't mention about the bank robbery. You can tell her that I've got to change my plan. Tell her that I'm looking money. I've got to work so hard for me and my family. I sugar mine.
Well, right now, my lion, we are calling on you to love. Jano, we are calling on you to love. Kingston, let's come in, Kingston. A long time in a year. Kingston Palmer, more here right now, Jano. Come in. Menagyo. A promotion might come from the lion. No feel no way, see that you can. Promotion. Yeah. What a thing. What a thing. What a thing when the Gemini spin. Say what a thing. Say what a thing. Say poop and tell me I the thing in a the ring. The man won't twist some power. Say you wanted. Alright. Oh yeah. Jano, long time in a year, man, dance. Where's the Mellow? Bring him in.
Second sugar miners. Well, Tristan Palmer. Come in. Julia Rama. Hey. Second Archie. Second sugar miners. Yeah. All on pull up Archie. Where you come, a man called Tristan Palmer? Yeah.
No, we're not bringing him in, son. Yeah. It's right now, them youth are large, saying a struggle where I come from the whole away, Barrington leave Barry Brown the whole away, saying from way down in bush there. It's right now, I bring a man called Mr. Tristan Palmer coming soon. Second. Yes, here.
Bubbler, get ready. Say what a bubbling, Lord, what a bubbling. Say what a bubbling, boy, what a bubbling. Say hula hoop, make it to the hula hoop. Forward back, Archie. Bubbler, get ready. Say what a bubbling, Lord, what a bubbling. Say what a bubbling, boy, what a bubbling, hey. Form a line, every posse form a line. Form a line, come learn how to wine. Inna the bubbling, Lord, what a bubbling. Inna the bubbling, Lord, what a bubbling. Say hula hoop, make we do the hula hoop. Hula hoop, make we do the hula hoop, hey. Bubbler, get ready. Say what a bubbling, Lord, what a bubbling. Say what a bubbling, boy, what a bubbling. Say this is Tristan, and I'm attractive. And all the girls, they ma rush me. Inna the bubbling, Lord, what a bubbling. Inna the bubbling, boy, what a bubbling. Say get flat, every party get flat. Spin your roll, every party spin your roll, hey. Bubbler, get ready. Say what a bubbling, Lord, what a bubbling. The dread them a skank, the daughter them a dance. The dread them a skank, the daughter them a dance. Inna the bubbling, boy, what a bubbling. Form a line, every posse form a line. Farmer line, come learn off the wine in the bubbling. Lord, what a bubbling. In the bubbling, boy, what a bubbling. But this is Tristan, and I'm attractive. In double girls, they more rush me. In the bubbling, boy, what a bubbling. Say hula hoop, make me to the hula hoop, make me to the hula hoop, hey.
Yes, Tristan Palmer. Big every time. Last year, you know. Jano. What the man I say, sugar?
Yes, Mellow. No easy. Them say Tristan Palmer to come forward. Tristan. Oh man, the more I again. Jano. We're going with them things around. Jamba Doons. The new sound of your way. Special request to the man called Jamba Doons and a massive. On the front line of Clapton. Come in, come in, Tristan Palmer.
Where's the one now? To all the pretty girls. Special request to all the girls in the dance. See? From all the passes. I'm a disappointed lover. Whoa. The first time I fall in love, I was disappointed. She told me I was too small to be her man. But that couldn't stop me from loving her, no. And these were the words I said to her. A lovely girl needs a lovely man like me. Oh no, girl. The roses are red, my love. Violets are blue. Sugar is sweet, my love, but not as sweet as you, girl. Oh no, no. I'm a two-time loser. But I said I ain't gonna lose your love, no, girl. I ain't gonna lose, no, 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 no way. Yeah, yeah, alright. The first time I fall in love, I was disappointed. Just go, just go. Yeah, you know, just cool. Special request to everyone. See? I'm a two-time loser, but I said I ain't gonna lose your love, no, no. I ain't gonna lose, no, 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 no way, yeah. Oh no. The first time I fall in love, I was disappointed. She told me I was too small to be her man. But that couldn't stop me from loving her. Oh no, no. Oh no. I'm a two-time loser, but I said I ain't gonna lose your love, no, girl. I ain't gonna lose, no, 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 babe.
Man called Tristan Palmer say, but me now fight for Reagan. Repeat again, say me now fight for Reagan. Because they want Reagan. Him live in Washington. In case you never know him, no love black man. Him take away money, make nuclear weapon. Him want send me down a Soviet Union. Say me now fight for Reagan. Repeat again, say we now fight for Reagan. I watch a man, nobody check, say a Christian runway island power. It's a bunch of politicians like Eddie Siaga, the leader for Jamaica. The Reagan control America. The one poor Paul said the seven dragon. Every day them sit down just to make them plan. Them sheep down gun said that in we island. They put it in the hands of little youth man. They go kill off a lot of innocent one. We no want hear no noise up, no boom or no shot. We only want hear Jimmy explosion. I'll pull up the sugar miners. Come in, sugar.
Yes, my lion, the one I want special request. See, a long time not coming on thing. And Micah be somewhere, but you know it go. been a long time, Babylon be trying to stop me, but no way, no way. You know, them can't hold the dimes. Dimes, so you said Papa Dimes.
Remember the good old Papa Roots Booger?
Chano, remember them days of Malayana. And I know me about your junior read. Chano, you know, say one of the A1 student about a promotion. You done your university degree already. Lord of mercy, can't stop a Rasta. It's been a long time, Babylon been trying to stop me, but no way, no way. Nothing that they do, ain't nothing that they say can keep me down. I heard some say that I was born to be a loser, loser. But I choose, so I can't lose, no way, yeah. Watch it now. No wicked man with no evil plan can keep me down. Cause I'm protected and directed by the Father. And he said that I should never give up. They never give up, no matter what they do. Never give up, I never give up, no matter what they say. I'm gonna keep on going on. I'm gonna. Yes, Malayana. Well, I man appreciate that I am. That guy and I vibes. And I vibes the work off. Easy. Sanjon from London, easy. All I'm pulling away. Rewind. Watch it, easy. Whoa, whoa. Watch it now. Got to keep on trying. It's been a long time, Babylon been trying to stop me, but no way, no way. Come sing the Rasta. Nothing that they do, ain't nothing that they say can keep me down. Hear them say now. I heard some say that I was born to be a loser, loser. The mother of just I choose, I can't lose, no way, yeah. No wicked man with no will can keep me down. Cause I'm protected and directed by the Father. And he said that I should never give up. They never give up, no matter what they do. Never give up. Come on, baby, I wanna dance with you all night long. I will never let go. I will never let go. I will never, I've got to hold on every day, in every way. But the things you would say just couldn't be that way. You'll never ever reach if you don't try. Instead you keep on telling us those dreadful lies. Just wait and see how things would be when I am free. Don't worry about me, don't worry about me, cause I will never let go. Always try, man, I've got so much soul. You wonder why? It's just because I'm so true. Different style, pull up. And the bum buckler, don't know. Special request to the man called Badness. 10, 11 of Badness. You know you're there, I know you're big, you know. 10. Miserable woman, stay out of my life. She's a miserable woman. She's a miserable woman. She's a miserable woman.
Wagwan ENT.
I go to the Martini. She just fussing and fighting with me. I'm gonna go to the late night show. She just fussing and fighting, you see. She's a miserable young girl. She's a miserable young girl. She's a miserable young girl. And I know it's you. I know it's
it's you. Yeah. Every morning when I'm on wake up, I see the screw on her face. She don't need me no more. She's a miserable woman. She's a miserable woman. She's a miserable woman. And I know it's you. I know it's you. Different style. Boy. Papa Jamie, oh yeah. Papa Jamie make you bad so. Papa Jamie make you bad so. Oh yeah. You trying to conquer Papa Jamie. Boy, you never will conquer Papa Jamie. How can you conquer the conqueror? How can you conquer the general? Papa Jamie make you bad go. Papa Jamie make you bad go. With Armand Philip Fraser and a man called Welton Irie and a man called Papa Archie. He a go nice up the era. He a go nice up the era. Papa Jamie, the number one sound. Welton Irie, oh yeah. Welton Irie, for me.
Still I say no dreadlocks, no big request to the man called Mouth along with Hooligan from the Winter Squad. Philip Ram, a spec one international party from the New York, the scene. And big request to all police officers in the area. Man like all thousand mortgage, storage, mountain and bridge, them go sicker. No man going on with some fashion scene. Man like all to the scene selector. Baling, bawada da diddly dang. Baling, balang. Stang, baling, badeng. Badiddly, bawada dang. Lord of mercy. Galang, 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 galang. Hey, galang, galang. Galang, galang, galang. Well, no for DJ, them a talk about them a lyrics spontan. No DJ, I talk about them a lyrics spontan. But the youth name Burrow, them get that from because them lack intelligence and education. The whole night them a talk inside a session. You never yet hear them read the invitation. Well, that was style. No, this is fashion. Me a go join eradication. La 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 la. Come here, go join eradication. Here, why no star? Cause on my way going up to Barbican. Me buck up in a rental full of gunman with M16 Bushmaster and M1. One ask me what a name. Me tell him Welton. Him say, don't if you did do the army song. Me say yes, and so what did even reach number one? Him say, boy, you must be rich. Give me 1,000. Me say, go soak your mama where me fi get money from. Him say, boy, your mother chat so the gunman. So him butt me in my head, kick me in me, but push me face in dark shit and say, boy, start nyam. Me wax it off clean like saltfish and yellow yam. From that day you get a wicked intention. Physique and destroy your gunman. So me wash up me foot and then me wash off me yan lad. Wash up me face in and me move my wash pan. And you me never have no form of transportation. Me reach about stop flag down minivan. Cause Spanish Town Road my destination. Cause that's the headquarters of eradication. The first man me buck was Detective Graham. If you say what can I do for you young man, I tell him that I come to join eradication. Him say since you want to become a policeman, why the rest you don't go to Crossroad Police Station? Me tell him listen good and I want you understand. Me now go Port Royal go train so long. And after me sweat and get graduation, wanna go fling me down a bush, we get down a Westmoreland. Go a Orange Hill and terrorize ganja man and prefer Tana Kingston. I am a Kingstonian. And fire 16 and lick M1. You feel that got me select yo. But the man has a Mellow Tuffy.
Selassie, I know. That one I want Chris lyrics saying, cause it's a Wednesday night time. Can't come and see the same thing every Wednesday night.
Cool Welton, Irie, cause your big thing soon fly out. The last Archie no second, Philip Fraser, Jacket Statement, Ivan Starcher, no school. Lord, ready the name, Archie take it name, Mike Archie take, bow. Archie take on me, and Mike Archie take, bow. Archie take on me, and Mike Archie take, say me a DG and Archie selector, say D-E-A-T-H, that a letter, say that is some letter from the alphabet. You have a next name, say that is regret. You have cabinet and you have buffet. The girl Paulette, she a sit down and fret. She have one shop over St. Elizabeth. Me dip over the counter, she give me cigarette. Me buy piece of chicken and me get beer neck. Say Jesus trod through the land of Nazareth. Him walk on the sea and him never did fret. Him side some man just a throw out them net. Him say throw out your net, no fish you want go catch. Say old man's girl school keeping a pet. Prepare wear me Clark's coat and not me ballet. Me no work a crazy James, no bacon or chef. Say who not hear me yet, come hear me live and direct. Come listen down the Tuffy round the King disco, take it name. Archie take me name, Mike Archie take. Bow! Archie take me name, Mike Archie take. Say me a DJ, Archie a select. Say in a record box and way Archie take set. Say in a the mic and Mellow Tuffy take set it name. Archie take me name, Mike Archie take. I'll pull up me selector, large. What the man is a Michael Farmer?
Don't worry your nice self. Jack up. Big request to man like Anjo Pang, man like Umpire. Don't worry your nice self. Are you safe? In Kuna Welton. So Mr. Officer, no point your revolver. You get me nervous. Hey. I'm Mr. Officer, put down your revolver. Yes, I'm Mr. Hijack.
Second Michael Farmer, boy, if lick shot no go up on the chart, I will be them will be yo.
Big request time and better them kill this evening. You like song, Kuno Jabadoos. How are you nice self? Now, Circle, I'm here with them style, yeah. Mr. Officer, put down your revolver. Yes, I'm Mr. Officer, put down your revolver. Yes, just tell me your reason and your purpose. Why you point your gun to get me nervous? Look at me as a musician, no politician, no gunman. So why you point your gun? I don't understand. You must think me is a wanted man. Mr. Officer, put down your revolver. Yes, I'm Mr. Officer, put down your revolver. Boy, cause when you point your gun, my blood run cold. Check now my face, oh my eyes just a roll. Like a peasant that lost his soul. Right where me stand, I'm frozen cold. Mr. Officer, I'm Mr. Officer. Hijack. Go on somewhere. One more time. One more lick shot.
Last year, you know, Farmer dog, I feel much of Michael while like Barry Brown, man. And them blood clot things they're going, man. Yeah, Jano. Last year, you know, Michael Farmer is big. Well, let's see that one here. Archie a producer one here, seen. Enough of them don't know say Archie a producer. A second. Welcome to each other one, seen. Last year, you know. Lord, it name talented, say me well talented, bow. Talented, Mellow Tuffy talented, bow. Talented, say me well talented, one. talented, say me well talented. They make cheap and butter down a separate limited. They make white rum and Neville limited. They make soft drinks a D&G limited. They make ice cream a road runner limited. Well, this a DJ of the roundest parade. So when me was a baby, mother put me in a crib, and every morning me have to get me porridge. She take the bully leaf, me say out of the fridge. She put it on the bread and she make a sandwich. Them want me for DJ Phillies Unlimited. Me nah live Gemini, call me too talented. Them want me for Ramadan song instead. Me flash them your lyrics, burn you up like acid, you know. Talented, say me well talented. Bow, talented, say me well talented, you know. Watch out for me, them have to watch out for me. Bow, watch out for me, them have to watch out for me. This is not Josie Wheel, this is not Charlie. This is not Ringo, neither Welton Irie. This is not Peter Metro, nor Maga Squiddly. Say this a DJ name Mellow, Tuffy. You know say Port Royal at the richest city. And there's so Henry Morgan, I the treasury. Me go a primary and secondary. They teach me about me maths and social study. They teach me about me English and me biology. They teach me about me science and me technology. Me get me subjects in a GCE. Me get me certificate as a mic MC. The first dance me ram said that don't a OG. The second dance me ram in a New York City. Enough white girls come a hold on for me. Them said me lot of it in a category. Me spar with Yankee, enough yardie. Say when me I left them give me money and jewelry too. Talented, say me well talented. Bow, talented, say me well talented. I'll pull up me selector, second man. Selassie, I know. When you come still later next milk of this, I man call Philip Fraser scene. Selassie, I know. Selassie, I know. Philip Fraser, second. When's the Metro Media play right after scene? Yeah. Come in, Philip Fraser live. Yeah. Pull up Archie. Philip Fraser.
Yeah, me and the handsman there, you know, scene. So one day them know that me and the handsman are going to do it, scene. So listen. Scene. Yo.
Come on, yeah, we're there.
Love you, woman. Baby, girl, I love you and I don't want you to leave me. Please stay, baby. Girl, I love you and I need you to be my bride. You wanna walk out on me, girl. You wanna leave me all alone. That ain't right. Oh no, that ain't right. When I'm feeling blue, I always think of you. And when I'm feeling cold, you are the one I wanna hold in my arms. Hold you in my arms, baby.
Jacobati. Yo. Special request to the man called Tristan for my man promoter. See? Youth call badness. And all the man them see? Django, know yourself and everything cool. See? And then the handsman I take it. See?
I'm feeling kinda lonely, girl, with you. Like someone you can talk to. Oh, baby, yeah, the man's the thing. I'm feeling kinda lonely too with you. Sit right down here beside me. Oh, girl, I like to know you better. Isn't there a place that we can go to share the night together? Turn the lights on low, woman. Sharing the night together, boy. Sharing the night together. With
with you, baby. Mr. Osman, let me hear you now. Mr. Osman, let me hear you now.
Wagwan ENT.
I'm feeling kinda lonely, girl, with you. Like someone you can talk to. Oh, baby. I'm feeling kinda lonely too with you. Sit right down here beside me. Oh, girl. Welton, Irie, I know you is standing by, and you would like to say something. Alright.
Celestia no Slim Fraser. No bigger question job I do in England along with Brigadier, 39, a man like Carl Prani and a man there ranking Trevor chill out. And bigger question Sharon of the area scene. Tribute to Tita and Tongue will pass away. We like about 9 flashes from the top scene. Michael Palmer, you want to do the way there? Scene. Come in, Mellow Tuffy.
Celestia ain't no private. Yeah. Ribbit it. Boom! Jano! Hey, ribbit it, ribbit bang skeng lad. Ribby bang, ribbing lad. After me went to a dance in Connecticut. Mellow Tuffy went to a dance in Connecticut. Whole night me dey on the mic and I sit up. Jaman you put a ring water out of me shut. Cause if my clap me sleepy, 8 o'clock me wake up. Me eat some rice and drink some syrup. Me send for me brother fi go buy 7 up. Me yes say me na Gemini dance stand up. As me reach at the gate, me and the gate boy buck up. The damn gate boy come and hold up and me shut. Hear me now, Jenna. Lego me shut, nobody dirty me up. Bow! Lego me shut, nobody dirty me up. Me brethren them a tell me you are their mascot. And when they come to fight Rasta, know you know what. I might back a big stone and lick in a yogurt. Cause this a DJ and if nah but. So when they come to mic, say me angle mic up. Say dirty water, run on the cold butter. And every mother dog said you call them slaughter. Me favorite singer a them and Tony Tucker. Me favorite milk that a nice and enough. Said this a DJ nah if nah but. Me drink some tea, me say out of me cup. The tea so I just show that you run me as up. Bow! Lego me shut nobody dirty me up. Bow! Lego me shut nobody dirty me up. After me went to a dance in a Portmore. Me and me big fat girl named Clara. Say as me reach at the dance floor. The gate man a style for me girl as a whore. The one kick me give me 9 blasted sore. Celestia I know, second. Come in dude.
Yes, crowd of people, me I do this for Sugar, see? I want him hear this live and direct, see? Sugar just stay straight for the ranger, throw it down me lion. See? Lie them out, just stay steady, Sugar might not. Tribute to teeth and tongue, second Sugar. Put it down for the raiding spot, see? Yes, sir. No ramping business, see? Yes. Welton, Irie, this one is for you. I hear say to the upper camp and soldier man move, see? Lie them out, stay straight, see? Respect me calling, hear me now, say. After the constable is an acting corporal, go on. After the constable is an acting corporal, and after acting corporal you find the corporal, and after the corporal you find the sergeant, and after the sergeant is an inspector, and after inspector is an ASP. All I'm pulley beg, you pulley, oh yes, Welton, that one you have for your saying.
Boy, it's last thing, the officer now, galang officer, come like you out for run me out of business.
Me nah left a man barrack, so you could have killed me dead, see? Yes, Uncle Joe, no just stay straight. Level 5 to Phillips, just land from foreign scene. Ranger, you know ready? Mix me Uncle Joe fast. After the constable is an acting corporal, go on. After the constable is an acting corporal, And after acting corporal, you find the sergeant. And after the sergeant is an inspector. Welton, don't fuck around the mixer. I beg you mix me down, Welton, beg you mix me like a entity. After the constable is an acting corporal. And after the corporal is a full corporal. And after the corporal, you find the sergeant. And after the sergeant is an inspector. And after inspector is an ASP. And after ASP, you find the DSP. And after DSP, say you find the SP. And after SP, you find the SSP. And after SSP, you find the ACP. And after ACP, you find the DCP. Then what about Joe the CP? Me say, Welton, I beg you do not sorry for me. Because me drink Johnny Walker whiskey. I walk into the bar, I'm not first. Balang, 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 balang. But what about CWD? So me say, what about CWD? Second, no right now, Lincoln granulated sugar mine at the area, seen a pasture. And the man have to sweet up the session with them velvet vice. Come in granulated, none of that sugar business.
Yes, Wilton, more show them. That's how we do it in England. Special tribute and special request and dedication to the man called Philip Fraser. And whole pursuit in the area, Mango Tea Fabian, Miguel, the school now. The school, Michael Palmer. Sure. You know, say I lead one up in the past school now, skin ranking, easy now. Red Fox, easy up now. The money are big from New York, Red Fox. Cool now, Juna Della, yeah, easy now. We'll go fling the one here. The one from wax already, saying, yeah. The thing called the one sound man, Titan song, that's cool. Ranger squad, can't forget the money. Can't forget Light Them Out and Hooligan. Boy, watch it now. We've been up and down the coast of love. Alright, oh yes. A ball of fire came from the sky. Good God Almighty came from the sky. It was touching my soul and hurt my bone. Alright. Even put sunlight in my eyes. Oh yes, watch it now. Say this a rubber dubber where the people them love. This a rubber dubber where the people them love. You're my A1 sound man. I tell you you're my A1 sound man. Gemini, you're my A1 sound man. I tell you you're my A1 sound man. So we've been up and down the coast of love. Alright, oh yes. Reggae music playing all night long. Good God Almighty playing all night long. It was touching my soul and hurt my bone. Alright, yeah. Well, pull it. If you man like sugar, why not? And pleasure. That's for you. I worries, cut up people. I worries, I had to play you up now. I chuckle now. You know it. Chuckle. Chuck Wilton, where I say.
So that's no sugar man like you cause musical riot.
Philip Fraser, no say something, so where I say. Lovely woman. Come in, Philip Fraser. A 2 day hard way. We are flash na some style. Come in, I hear rhythm this. John on.
Alone in a crowd, on a bus out to work, I'm daydreaming.
Yes, Rasta, you hear the guy say. And the guy next to me has his girl on his arms, my arms are empty. Ooh, how does it feel when the girl that you love say yes, she loves you? Yes, my lion. Yes, my lion.
Yes, you don't know Papa Louis.
Michael Palmer.
No worries, yourself. Second now.
Yes. A whole night singing with the pan. Well, son, we're not going to hold it up. A whole night singing with the pan, so go on. Whole night singing. Play them over wide. Play them in a rubber dub style. Play them in a A1 style. Play them in a rubber dub style. They might play them in a A1 style. So we no ramp, we no play, so we push a lower this, that's how we say. Alright.
So we no round, we no play, so we shall know what is that's what we say. Alright. Inna this we a king inna this. Inna this we a chemist inna this. Inna this we a chemist inna this. Special request and a popular demand. The one was super duper inna the lawn. Man can trip on tune up, but man can tune the read. Man can Wilton Irie. Gonna make you feel alright. Oh yeah.
Lord have mercy. No alarm pull up Archie. Man called Michael Palmer. Come in. Cause if this not go number one, I will be a them will be a yo. Come in, cause it's say you fling well lean boat.
Well, me no worry myself. But me can't get too much special request business in the boss.
Lick shot.
Big request to me.
I might call Palmer yourself to she.
Big request to the youth promotion masses. Cause I'm a part of that foundation. Hijack. Respect Joe, respect Joe, respect Joe. Ranger squad. Pete, no worry yourself. You're safe. You're big, king size.
Jumbo.
Beat and tongue. Peckles by you there. Demolition. Lord of mercy. Alright. Hey. Down in my hometown, bad boys them took me down, robbed me and beat me bad. Me have to turn to my master God, demolition. Take us bomber. What the man among me here, man? I'm just human, you know. Do me here, sir.
Just show that man a clap bow. Heavier than Gemini speaker. John Omi is deaf. Easy me lion. Easy on the bow. Run on section. I come in Mr. Palmer. Boy, my lick shot out there. You John Omi.
They never tell them about the gunshot we are bird. Cause it's no blessing, no curse. Demolition. Dancehall anthem.
We have to get flat. Come in, Michael Palmer. Come, Lick Shot. Come in, here. I make them get flat. Mr. Palmer, you are here, you know. John, are you heard him this? Come on in, come on, rock on the scene. Alright. Presenting to you the man called Michael Palmer. Coming from the youth promotion. Alright, oh yeah. Well, listen right now. The man can't take the ball, Rasta, and shoot. Come in, Mr. Palmer.
Not to them, so Mr. No man a sing and DJ. You can't talk to him at the same time because you make him lose concentration. No respect. See, don't mean for disrespect no man, but you know, broke the man concentration when him a sing or DJ and talk. See, now go on Michael Palmer.
Man, them a go on them and eat half meals without ketchup.
Babo!
Demolition.
What one ENT?
Lord of mercy. I want watch it pass to them. Second. Down in my hometown, bad boys them took me down, robbed me and beat me bad. Me have to turn to my master God, demolition. Me have to get flat. Boy, demolition. Me have to get flat. Boy, tell the police no response to that. Them say me a idiot. I've got to put a stoppage to that, cause I'm no aristocrat. Demolition. A sugar miner. Demolition. Lord of mercy. Oh, Lord of mercy. Lord of mercy. Lord of mercy. In my community, respect is a due to me. But certain boy none occur to see.
That's why them tackle me, them flick shit. Me up the girl, boy, them lick shit. We up the girl, boy, down in my hometown. Rude boys, them joke we down. Rob we and them beats we bad. We up the turn to be master got them lick shit. We up the girl, boy, them lick shit. Come in, sugar miner. Come in, sugar miner. You want the teacher, or you want the miner? Boy, alright. Boy, music so nice, and the music so sweet. Gonna keep on rocking to the beat. Alright.
No sugar mine, I want you come in and big request to all the weed man in the area. Weedy and Bobo Dread Circle, a full stylist. Come in, sugar mine at in.
Jono, my trouble. The one that dedicated to all the herbalists in the area. You know them look on there, I forgot a country and thing. Go for look a sense and thing and sell it on the corner and thing. All and pull up my lion. Jono, respect you to all the club seller them. A trickle and chuckle, a chuckle. See? That's trickle and chuckle. Yes, I. Watch it now. Everybody's a herb man hustling, bright and early in the morning. Everybody's a herb man hustling. I know Sergeant Brown is waiting. Everybody's a herb man hustling, but you see that's my daily living. Jump in a minivan, me Ghana country. Let me wife and me hungry pick me. Jump in a minivan, me Ghana country. Let me wife and me hungry pick me. We have to travel over hills and valleys just to get a bit of good fancy. Hey, we have to travel over hills and valleys. Hey, just to get a bit of good fancy. Hey, wrap up a job with the lawyer. Wrap up a job with the doctor. Wrap up a job with the commissioner. Wrap up a job with me brethren, Richard Irie. Our way, yes. Everybody's a herb man hustling, bright and early in the morning. But it's a everybody's a herb man hustling. You see, that's my daily living again. Everybody's a all and pull up my lion. Jano, Mr. Fraser, me know say you feel it.
Big request to someone like Kingston Palmer.
When there? Come in, Kingston. When you look up hide business, you know, hide around. Remember, you know, say, Kingston, you know, St. Thomas Caroline, you know it going on. That's cool.
You see that one, yeah? Uncle can play by Gemini, saying, you know, St. Thomas and Sugar Mine at Michael Palmer, they are trouble. Kingston Palmer, Badness, Django, Second, saying,
it was right on the tip of my tongue, and I forgot to say that I love you. Yeah, it was right on the tip of my tongue. Oh, and I forgot to say that I need you. Yeah, I need you, woman. I need you, baby. I need you, woman. All the while. Sometimes I'm afraid to talk to you, 'cause words can't seem to find. It was right on the tip of my tongue, and I forgot to say that I love you. Yeah, it was right on the tip of my tongue. Oh, and I forgot to say that I need you, baby. Baby, Michael Palmer. Down. This little girl, she gives me fever. Alright. She give me fever to make me shiver. And when I am down and out, fever, this little girl, she turns me on. Fever. She gives me fever. Fever, fever, fever. Fever. She gives me fever. Fever, fever, fever. Yes, the little girl who makes me irate. Alright. That is the girl from the statement posse, yeah. And that girl, them call her Patsy. Alright. Anywhere she go, the man them rushing. Yes, she gave me fever. Fever, fever. She gives me fever. She gives me fever. She gives me fever. Lord of mercy.
Selassie, I know, all I'm pull up Archie. Jano, Selassie, I know. Well, listen one Chris lyrics. Jano, dedicate to each and one. The school private. Cause all ever go ride it scene. Jano. One Chris biscuit. Hey. Boom. Hey, land. Ribby bang bang it name. Take we man some gyal, take we friend man. Take we arc it up, my selector. Arc it up. You don't know say Mellow Tuffy originate bar clothes and your friend them a watch you. Me no bother chat them there again. I just brand new scene. Slap say I know. Chris Biscuit. Circle. Yeah. Circle on. Ribby bang bang bow. Ribby bang bang bow. Ribby bang bang you know. Take we man and them a take we friend man. Take we man and them a take we friend man. Take we man and them a take we friend man. Cause she take we Donovan. Say from Susanna. She take we Clifton. Say from Evan. She take we Byron. Say from Evan. Say that was style. And here come fashion. She take we Archie. Say from Jackie. She take we Dicky. Say from Terry. She take we Irie from Anne-Marie. Boom. Take we man the gyal, take we friend man. Take we man the gyal, take we friend man. But the classic posse said them have them own a man. The statement posse said them have them own a man. The mango tree posse said them have them own a man. Lad, hold up your hand if you have your own a man, gyal. Hold up your hand if you have your own a man. Cause take we man, summer take we friend man. You like it? Take Chris Biscuit, all and pull up, come in private.
No, Mellow Tuffy, watch your mouth when they say you originate barrow clothes. No, you talk about sin. Can't you originate that? So behave your mouth because you get box on your lip. No big request. Sin. Two women in my wear them on our clothes. Little boy, behave your mouth. You will get box by your mouth. Sin, little boy, behave your mouth.
Judith Smith, the mass brain who used to help me in primary. Oh, your background, I'm Johnson now. Your children, those, them look hungry, eh?
Circle. No, circle Kuro. See, that's how we discipline prentice. Some guy in them chap and Gemini feel them get too big. You have to creep before you walk, so circle. Galang, circle Michael Palmer. Galang, 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 hey, galang, galang, galang. Hear me now. You know she coming at the dance and she full it up a pose. I told you wouldn't know that she have a rough friend clothes. Smell like a dead rat. You think she smell like a rose? Yeah, kicked up, circle, scene. Selassie, I know. Circle jungle is. Circle Jabadus in England, weedy, bubble dread. Road means circle butters, road Irie. One a penny, class is class. See?
Galang, hey, galang, como, galang, well, borrow clothes, no for them are borrow clothes, no for them are borrow clothes. The statement pass you know them now go borrow clothes. The mango chip party, you know them now borrow clothes. The classic pass you know them now borrow clothes. Hey, can't take the girl them where you borrow friend clothes. She no ready, no, she no ready, cause she no ready, no, she no ready. Say girl, your friend them a watch you. Your friend them a watch you. Them say the booty you wear, Sandra wear already. The stocking you a wear, Sandra wear already. The skirt you a wear, Sandra wear already. The man where you a check, Sandra check already.
Wagwan ENT.